In today's video, I'm going to show you how to copy or move emails from one account to another in Outlook in the easiest way. This is very useful if you manage multiple email accounts and want to organize your messages in one place or transfer important emails between accounts. Let's get started. First, before you can move or copy emails, you need to make sure both email accounts are added to Outlook. To do this, open Outlook on your computer. Then go to the top left corner and click on File. From here, click on Account Settings, then choose Manage Profiles or Add Account, depending on your version. Now go ahead and add your second email account by entering the email address and password, then follow the steps to complete the setup. Once both accounts are added, go back to the main Outlook screen. On the left side, you should now see both of your email accounts listed. Each account will have its own inbox, sent items, and folders. Now let's start with how to move an email from one account to another. Click on the first email account, then open the inbox. Select the email you want to move by clicking on it. Now right-click on that email, and from the menu, click on Move. After that, choose Other Folder. A new window will open where you can select the destination. Here, choose the inbox of your second email account. Then click OK. As soon as you do that, the email will be moved from the first account to the second account. To confirm, go to your second email account, open the inbox, and you should see the email there. Now let's look at another way to move emails using the top toolbar. Select the email again, then go to the top menu and click on the Move option. From here, choose Other Folder, then select your second account's inbox and confirm. This method does the same thing, but can be faster if you prefer using the toolbar. Now let's talk about how to copy emails instead of moving them. Outlook doesn't have a simple Copy to another account button like Move, so instead, the easiest way to copy an email is by forwarding it. Right-click on the email and click on Forward. Then in the To field, enter your second email address. After that, click Send. This will send a copy of that email to your other account, while keeping the original in the first account. Now, if you want to copy multiple emails, you can do that as well. Hold down the Control key and click on multiple emails to select them, or press Ctrl+A to select all emails in the folder. Once selected, you can right-click and choose Move to move them all at once, or click Forward to send copies of those emails to another account. You can also unselect emails by holding Control and clicking on any email you don't want included. This makes it easy to manage large numbers of emails quickly. And that's it. Now you know how to move and copy emails between different Outlook accounts in a simple and effective way. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like the video, leave a comment, and subscribe for more simple tutorials.